What's up, guys? It's Fireball Lunar, and it's my very first vlog. I just want to show y'all. Look at this storm for real. That's not massive.
Hurricane Dorian.
That's what it's called? Hurricane Dorian? Dorian? Bro, it look bright as crap over here. But it's like the devil just spawned it over there. But it look good over there. So I want to say, this junk gonna be, hope this junk.
I'm ready for that bitch.
Bro, me too.
Yeah. Punch this guy. Yeah. Nigga. Yeah.
That's
Fuck
what.
me, nigga. You just gotta. Yeah. Yeah.
Be throwing this shit. Make the lightning come to me and take it all away from my hammer. On my hammer, take it away. But yeah, crazy. Bro, I might be just floating in the air like a piece of paper. I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna have to hold on to something for dear life. I'm gonna be flopping around.
What? Bitch.
What you gonna do? You gonna drop all your weight? Cause all that junk gonna do is just you just gotta fall.
Mm-hmm.